Are you a brand looking for an ideal advertising solution? Are you an app developer looking to make sizable profits? If your answer to any of these above questions is yes, then Real Media Now is the perfect solution for you. We are an ad tech company focused on creating the most revolutionary mobile advertising experience. With us, brands can run more effective campaigns. Where traditional advertising fails is that it forces you to push your brand, leading to a bad experience for your customers. We provide real-time advertising solutions at convenient moments through a user's journey. We focus more on the timing aspect, which allows the users of your brand to feel more engaged with company's messages and products. We build your brand brick by brick and increase advertising ROI with engaging user-focused moments advertising. If you are an app developer, our revolutionary product Brand Boost can assist the users of your game when they need it the most, at a time when they can't get past a particular level in the game. With Brand Boost's patented technology, your users get the assistance in getting past a particular level and opt for certain in-game upgrades. We do this based on the search history to give the most relevant ads to your player. You can be assured that you will witness an increase in revenue from either advertising or through in-app purchases. With us, you can monetize your app with non-intrusive advertising, boosting your revenues without hindering the overall experience of your customers. That's not all. Now, you can see an increase in daily revenue when implementing both the Brand Boost and reward-based products. Provide a positive experience compared to traditional banner-based advertising and increase user attention with non-intrusive advertising. Let's have a look what one of our customers have to say. I love Real Media Now's non-intrusive style of advertising, which not only increases my app's revenue from ads whilst keeping my players on my app, it has also increased the number of in-app purchases that I receive from my users. I can't recommend them enough. Ahmed Ali, owner of Raining Helicopter. So, what are you waiting for? Log on to www.realmedianow.com today.